Ladies and gentlemen, we'd now like to welcome on stage Target Account Manager, MRO India, SAM Central West India, Henkel. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap and welcome Mr. Sameer Patkule to come forward and speak on Predict Your Equipment Heartbeat. Let's hear it from Mr. Patkule, please, everyone.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome. Thank you very much, all the panelists. Been hearing the manufacturing fraternity for the past 2 hours, and it was really, really important for us, big insights into this manufacturing fraternity. So what are we going to talk about today pretty quickly in the next 15 minutes? A simple agenda. Predict your equipment's heartbeat. Heart is important, right? We were seeing today in the manufacturing how important are our assets. I was hearing words, I was taking a note of it: productivity, efficiency, right? Co-creation of value. Fantastic words. So everything related to cost finally, right? Right? So that's what we are going to talk about pretty quickly. How do we predict the equipment's heartbeat to increase reliability and reduce cost? Let's talk about Henkel. Why Henkel? A global organization bringing in all the technologies from the world into India, 20.1 billion euro organization with employing 52,000 inspired employees. We are around a 38% women already in the management category. And we are also active in the 79 countries worldwide. What do we do in India? A 247 million euro organization, again working with inspired 1,000 people. Very importantly, we thoroughly believe in the policy of Make in India, and we have the largest adhesive manufacturing facility in India, Middle East and Africa region, present near Pune, Daund. So that's what our belief in manufacturing is, and that's how we want to support, and that thanks to all of the manufacturing facility today, that we are the #1 B2B adhesive manufacturers in India. Well, what do we believe in? Very importantly, Henkel, purposeful growth. What is purposeful growth for us? We want to have a winning portfolio, definitely, with the help of sustained products. And to bring this to you, how do we do it? I would like to take you through an initiative. We call it as a Loctite Air Leak Survey Program. This is a simple example how we are trying to support the manufacturing fraternity with the help of sustained product portfolio. Let's look at a small video. What do we actually do?
Modern industrial machines, working precisely to meet exact target values, ensuring high-quality output. But many of these elaborate tools depend on one substance, an invisible force that keeps them running. And that is air. As invisible as air leaks might seem, they do leave a certain trace. A trace that Loctite services are able to track. Ultrasonic sound, the sound of air leaks, is beyond human hearing, though it can be made audible to reveal the hidden. Our leak detection tool locates even the smallest leaks at a distance of several meters and leads the operator to the exact spot of leakage. Here, a Loctite maintenance program, combined with a hands-on training, helps the operator to identify the leaks and seal them reliably. Now, it's time to secure the evidence. With Loctite's designated documentation and calculation tools, all relevant data, such as air pressure, leak locations, and noise levels, can be recorded. This comprehensive data collection creates a complete overview of the leaks in the plant's compressed air system. And most importantly, the amount of potential cost and energy savings. Because among all these elaborate tools, thousands of litres of air pushed through valves and gauges and blown through kilometres of pipes are supposed to keep the business rolling.
%42 of energy, 42% of energy can be saved, which is pure rupees and paise, saving for all of you. How do we do it? You saw in the video how do we detect all these leaks, all these equipments present with us. We do a complete survey of the plants. We identify all the leaks. And then you have the most reliable Loctite products which are recommended by our experts, which go on to seal these leaks. Well, we don't stop there, right? I was also hearing our industry requires a lot of training, right? So what we do, when we complete all this exercise, we ensure that all our stakeholders are trained to find it again and again and close these gaps. So we raise awareness of all the potential energy losses. We actually increase your equipment lifetime, huge cost saving. We'll see in future slides what kind of cost savings we give to the customer. And finally, we better your CO2 footprints. So it's a small bit towards sustainability, saving 42% energy using air leak detection survey. Reduce carbon footprints. Let's look at what our customers have to say about it. Shri Cement, a key customer for us, okay, is one of our key accounts, big user of Loctite air leak survey program. And what do they say? A remarkable power saving of 40 kilowatt hour was achieved over a period of only 3 days. So this survey was conducted over a period of 3 days. All the leaks identified and they were closed. All leakage points were identified and tagged. And we give a pre-report and a post-report. So I was also hearing about strategy and execution. So this is again small bit, what we do about execution. So we don't only talk, we walk the talk. So we have a pre-survey where we show the losses and post-survey where we show the savings. And it is all monetized in rupees and paise. So having said that, this is what we actually do and we already do. We're also hearing a lot about digitization industry 4. So let's look at what do we have in store for the manufacturing sector in the next couple of months. Listen to your equipment's heartbeat. So moving ahead from reactive maintenance to predictive maintenance to digitized predictive maintenance, everything available on something like this, where we have CEOs of many organizations, maintenance heads, sitting in your own cabin, you just flip and you know what your equipment and when it might fail. So that's what is Loctite Pulse. We are launching it in the next couple of months in India. Feel free to know more about it. We have got a beautiful booth out there about air leak survey, about Loctite Pulse, and we'll be very happy to assist you. We are present not only in manufacturing, but our strength is also, we are present in maintenance, but our strength is also manufacturing as well, and vehicle repair and maintenance. And we have a beautiful team of all the red t-shirts, what you see here are the Loctite team members. Feel free to get in touch with them if you want to know anything more about us. Thank you very much.
I'll request Mr. Hafiz Sheikh, Business Head Manufacturing today, to please join us on stage and felicitate Mr. Patkule. Everyone.